How to recover permanently deleted Gmail account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to recover permanently deleted Gmail account. So first thing, just head over to your any favorite browser and just search in for Gmail account recovery. So just tap on this first link and now simply scroll down and click on this recover your account option. Once you find this, just tap on this. So once you're inside here, now all you've got to do is just tap on this follow the steps button over here and just tap on this and it will take you to this page. So now just enter your Gmail account which you previously deleted. So once you enter that Gmail account, you will be getting a screen where the Google will be saying you that they were able to verify that it's you because you are signed into that recovery email account, and you can update your password just like that from over there. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.